Chapter 5. Water. Water is the most essential substance for everyone. Human beings, plants and animals all need water for their survival. We can survive without food for 2 or 3 weeks, but we cannot live without water for more than 3 days. More. About 70% of our body consists of water. About 3/4 of Earth's surface is covered with water. Properties of water. When something is mixed in it, it has its taste and color. Water dissolves a large number of things. Water is a tasteless, odorless, colorless and shapeless substance. Uses of water. Drinking, cleaning, washing dishes, bathing, washing hands. Amount of water that plant need. Plants like cacti need less water to survive. They grow in deserts where water is scarce. Cacti have thick, fleshy stems and needle-like leaves, which help them to store water. The date palm can also survive in desert conditions. Some plants need more water and some even live in water. Water lilies and lotuses are some examples. Fact zone. Take 2 potted plants. Keep them in sunlight for 4 to 5 days. Water one plant every day and do not water the others. What do you see? The plant which do not have water dries up. This shows that plants need water to live and to grow. Different animals need different amount of water. Animals also need water to live. Some animals only live in water like fish, whales, crabs and seahorses. Animals need water to keep their body systems in order. Camel can stay without water for several days. It drinks a lot of water at one time, nearly 100 liters, and can last 20 to 25 days without drinking water. Called the ship of the desert. Desert animals such as snakes, kangaroo, rats and monitor lizards are adapted to conditions of less water. They survive on the early morning dew and stay in burrows under the sand in the hot daytime. Animals in hot places need more water. Buffaloes, crocodile, elephants and hippos like to wade in water. Bigger animals in general need more water. Fact zone. Kangaroo and rats can serve water by giving out solid urine. The koala bear in Australia gets all its water from the leaves of the eucalyptus tree that make up its main diet. Sources of water. We find water in oceans, lakes, rivers, ponds, springs and wells. Rain is the most important source of water. When the snow melts in summer, water rushes down mountains to form rivers. Some water goes under the ground. We draw this water from wells, tube wells and through hand pumps. Water is for everyone because of large population and mishandling of water resources. The distribution of water is not adequate in our country. In most of the parts, people have to wait for hours to get water. Especially in the summer season, there is shortage of drinking water. How do we get water? The water that comes out of our houses passes through a number of stages. Water is taken from a big lake or river and is sent to a water treatment plant. Their water is purified and collected in big tanks. From these tanks, water is supplied to the taps in our houses through pipelines. Cleaning water. The water we get in our houses is cleaned by the city water work. It is then supplied to our houses through underground pipes. At home we can purify water by filtering it, boiling it and adding chlorine tablets in it. Boiling kills most of the germs in water. We should store drinking water in clean bottles or drums. It must be covered so as to protect it from dust and germs. We should not put our hands into drinking water. More polluted water is not safe for drinking. It is very dangerous for our health. Save water. Since water is essential for our life, we should not pollute it. We must preserve every drop of it. You know, it is our life. Wherever there is leakage, get it repaired quickly. We can save water by reusing it. Water left after washing clothes can be used to wash the balcony. Water is used for washing fruits and vegetables, which can be used to water the plants. When it rains, buckets, drums, and tanks can be filled with rainwater. This water can be used for bathing, washing, and watering the plants. Take only as much water as is required. Concept map. Sources of water: ocean, pond, lake, spring, hand pump. Well, tube well storing water, tank, drum, buck.